clamps here. This gap here in your eyes. Do it. Kickstarter. There you go. That's a P200E engine for the definitely very first time to be opened. I'm gonna open it now. We all know the problem that older engines, they don't like to open so easily. The engine halves don't like to split. There is, and I want to tell you where you can use a hammer, where on the engine case. Often it clamps here. This engine screw is mostly very dirty because Piaggio did a very good thing. In the swing arm it is open and a lot of dirt gets directly onto the screw, and that's the reason why it gets dirty and gets stuck. That's the bolt from the other side. And the problem is that the swing arm here, it is open till here, and it reaches this screw, and a lot of dirt gets collected there, and it also gets up under the screw nut, so that's the reason why this bolt is mostly just stuck. You cannot get it out. If the thread is still okay, just leave it there, no need to take it out. Just think of that it is a bolt. Yeah, if the thread is damaged, then it's gonna be a little bit more work to actually get it out and replace it. Before you open an engine, make sure that the foot gasket is gone, otherwise it will hold the halves together, and that all the bolts are removed. All the screw nuts are gone and removed. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the one that's always stuck. 12. Mostly the engine halves are a little bit stuck. So where are the spots you can use a hammer? Because you absolutely can use a hammer. Oh, of course you do. Saves time, nerves. This is one spot. Don't be brutal. Just try to convince the half to move in the direction you want it to move to. So here. Oi! Boring example. It already opens. Let's turn the engine around. While working on the case, always have this gap here in your eyes. You see if they move the halves or not. And the other spot is, it's here. Why is that? Because we have some structure here, so when you just knock on here, the small half will not get damaged. Let's do it. You can see the gap here, so it already opens. Bad example. Oh, this bolt was not that stuck as it usually is, or as it often is. You just knock a little bit here, then you move the Kickstarter. There you go.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?
Another fall one rot. See here. This. Same here. See this? Why? And I know that this is the indicator that is even. Why does...